Alright, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am so excited for today's video because I have been on a no buy. I haven't been buying any makeup because I'm trying to save my money. So I finally went ahead and got some items I've been wanting to try. And also, I have been so sick this week, you guys. Like, literally in my bed, nose, head, everything was hurting. Like, it was so bad, but I'm getting a little bit better. So if my voice sounds a little different, that is the reason why. Before I do start, I'm just gonna ask you guys a question, and the question for this video is, what are some products you plan on picking up? Because I know there's so many things coming out, so let me know down below what you plan on picking up. So with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so the first one I do want to start off with is my Ulta haul, and I got a couple items in here. Let me go ahead and pull them out because I'm sure you guys don't want to hear like the bag moving throughout the whole entire video. So give me 1 second. Alright, so the first one I do have is a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm sure everybody knows about this. And actually, when it comes to this concealer, I was looking for something different because I've been using my Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I don't know why I couldn't say that for a second. Cover FX Power Play Concealer. And with that, I love that concealer. I do have it on today, but I needed something with a little bit more coverage when it comes to my under eye. So I grabbed this up because I know back in the day I used to love it, and I don't know why I stopped using it. So I went ahead and got the shade Deep. But the next one I do have is a NYX Brown Lipliner. I always repurchase this because when it comes to my lips, this color is perfect. The color is very unique. You would think when it comes to a brown lip liner in every, brand out there, they will look similar. But this shade, you guys, I haven't found a brand that has this exact color. Let me show you guys up close what it looks like. So it's a brown lip liner, but at the same time it has a hint of red in there, so I think that's what makes it a little bit different. But I love this lip liner. I always repurchase it, and it's very cheap, probably $3, and that's it. So I highly recommend that one. And then also I picked up a Morphe M217 brush because I'm gonna be doing a look really soon. But let me take it out the packaging actually so y'all can see it up close. All right, so now that it's out of the bag, I'm gonna show you guys up close what it looks like, and y'all can see it's very pointed and it's very good when it comes to detailed work. So I'm doing a really cool eye look soon. I kind of want to tell you guys what it is, but at the same time I want to keep it a secret. So I feel like when it comes to the eyes, this will be very easy to work with, and I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so next one I do have for you guys is a NYX Vivid Brights colored liquid liner, and I got it in the shade Vivid Halo. And with this, I bought this because the look that I'm doing really soon, I needed a yellow liquid liner, so I picked this one up instead. And why is this taped off? Like, I'm low-key struggling when it comes to opening these products. Okay, so I finally got it out the box, and let me show you guys what it looks like. I really do love the packaging. I think it's so cute and nice and sleek, and it kind of reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner that just came out. They look very similar, but let me see what it looks like on the back of my hand, because when it comes to yellow, sometimes they're a little bit opaque, or actually, is that the right word? They're a little bit light and not as bright as I want them to be. So let me see how. Ooh, y'all, this is so pigmented. Like, look at this. Very pigmented. I'm actually excited because if this works and it doesn't crack, I'll pick up more colors. But this yellow, y'all, it is so bright, and there's so many looks I can do with this. So I'm excited. I cannot wait. All right, you guys, so this next product, you guys, I have been loving. I am so obsessed with it, and I'm so glad I picked it up because I usually use my Morphe spray, but I actually ran out of it, so I don't have it in front of me. But I'm still gonna go ahead and repurchase that. But I want to try something a little bit different because when it comes to my setting sprays, the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray was working for me, but at the same time, I wasn't in love with it, and it's so expensive. It's like $36 or $32 a bottle. So I saw the Beauty Bakerie Sweet Grace Bacon Spray instead, and I grabbed it. I think it was $15 or $18, but I used my coupons, and it was a little bit cheaper than that. So with that being said, you guys, this setting spray, girl, I was missing out. So with this, I've actually tried it for a week and a half, you guys, and when I spray it on my face, The reason why I love it is it sets my face, like this is what it looks like on my skin. It sets my face, but at the same time, it keeps me matte, but I don't look flat. Does that make sense? So it keeps me matte, but I don't look like, you know, one-dimensional. Like y'all can see my skin, it looks very matte, but at the same time, I have a little bit of a glow going on. So it's just a very nice setting spray because a lot of the setting sprays I do have in my collection, I set my face and I look very glowy and dewy, which is nice, but I do have oily skin. So by the end of the day, you guys, I am a grease ball and I don't like that at all. So with this, I don't have that issue. And the fact that it's like $18 is a good price point because the Urban Decay, I told you guys, this is $32 and this is $18. So do the math. All right, so the next store that I did go into is the Morphe store, and I'm so happy because if you do live in Charlotte, we finally have a Morphe store, and you can use also the discount codes in the store, which is really cool. So I went in there and I think I only got 2 items, but they were also giving away items also when you got a product in their store. So let me pull this all out and show y'all what I grabbed. So the first thing that I did go in the store for was a P.Louise base, and I got it in the shade number 6. You guys know I did a whole video of this on my channel, and it's a collaboration with Taylor Made, which I really do love on Instagram. Her eye makeup looks, you guys, are absolutely amazing. So I grabbed this because I want to go ahead and support her because we finally have shades for women of color, and this shade, you guys, is perfect for my skin tone because it's a very nice neutral base, but at the same time, it highlights the eyes very well. So let me put some on the back of my hand and show you guys exactly what I mean, because when it comes to my eyes, I used to use concealer, which is good and everything like that, but my eyeshadows weren't popping like I wanted them to. So with this base, it actually makes them pop very nice on the eyes, and it lasts all day, and it's also very easy to work with. So this is what it looks like on my hand. It's a little bit light, but at the same time, it's not too light where like your eyes just looks, you know, too white. Y'all know what I mean. So with that being said, I'm so glad I picked this up because when it comes to my eyeshadow, you guys, I'm gonna be so honest, I was struggling for such a long time because I don't know, like it would look good, but it didn't look as good as I knew it could be. And I think the reason was because back in the day, I used to use a primer and eyeshadow and just put it all over my lids and then blend on top, and it worked for me. But everybody started using concealer, so I wanted to use a concealer trick and see if it worked. And it does work, but at the same time, I feel like it doesn't make your eyeshadow as bright. So with this, I definitely noticed that my eyeshadow lasted a lot longer. It was very bright and pigmented, so I highly recommend this. And you can get it in the Morphe store, also on their website, and also the P.Louise website if you're interested in picking this up. Okay, so these next few items were also from the Morphe store because they were giving away free swag bags, and they had like a lip pencil in there, bronzer, and also a lipstick. And with this, I feel like they did it based off of skin tones because all of these colors in here complement my skin tone. So the first one I do want to mention is called their Richie color pencil, and I think you can use this on your lips and also your eyes. But let me give y'all a good swatch of this. And it's very, very dark. So I'm not sure if I'll use this on my lips because it's very, very dark. But at the same time, I can use it on my eyes and, like, you know, do a whole entire look with this. So definitely use this on my eyes for sure. And the next one I do have is their Morphe lip crayon in the shade Lylas. But I'm not gonna lie, this shade paired with a brown lip liner will look so good on my skin. Let me show y'all the color. It is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice shades, like a little pink, but at the same time it has a little bit of purple in there too. So that is that shade. And the last one that was given to me was their Morphe bronzer, and this one, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit skeptical because it doesn't look as dark, you know, for my skin tone. And it's the shade Debutante, I think that's how you say it. But let me show y'all because I feel like, you know, bronzer is a little bit tricky sometimes because it may look light in the packaging, but when you put it on your skin, it's actually very pigmented. So let me actually test it out first. All right, so this is the bronzer up close. Y'all can see the shade. It looks very light, but let me see what it looks like on the back of my hand. So like I thought, it's very light. It can't bronze me at all, but at the same time, I do makeup on other people, so for sure, I'm going to use it on my other clients, but the formula feels very nice on my finger. Like, it's very soft, not powdery at all, so they do have a darker shade. I may have to try it out because it feels very nice on the back of my hand. All right, so I do have one more product for you guys, and I'm so excited because I saw it on Fenty's Instagram, and when I saw it, I just knew I had to pick it up, and I actually got it from Sephora, of course, and it's the Fenty Beauty lip paint in the shade Underdawg. This shade, you guys, I have seen on so many different skin tones out there, and I'm pretty sure you guys know of Alyssa Ashley, but I first saw it on her story, and when she swatched it, I was like, I need it. Like, there's no questions asked. I need that shade. So it's a very nice, deep, vampy shade. I cannot wait to wear it. I will swatch it for you guys, but I want to do a video on it and actually put it on my lips and do a whole entire makeup look. So get ready for that. But yeah, I think with this, it's limited edition. So if you're wanting this, make sure you go ahead and grab it. All right, you guys, so that was everything I had in my little haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, I know Sephora is having their VIP sale pretty soon, so I'm gonna try not to buy any more makeup till then. Hopefully I'll try, but I can't guarantee it. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one.